Cricketer Yuzvendra Chahal recently made headlines not for his bowling but for the 4.7 crore alimony he was ordered to pay his wife after divorce. Last year, Hardik Pandya claimed all his assets were in his mother's name, allegedly to avoid paying alimony to wife Natasha Stankovic. These cases triggered a social media storm, turning alimony into a men versus women debate. But what is alimony and why does the law provide for it? Alimony or maintenance exists as a social justice measure to support the spouse, usually the wife, and dependent children after separation or divorce. Why? Because in traditional marriages, women often stepped back from work or never worked outside at all to take care of the family. Alimony ensures that they can remain financially stable even after the marriage ends. But here's what many don't know. Alimony is not just for women. Under the Hindu and Parsi marriage laws, a husband can also claim alimony if the wife earns more. But under Muslim, Christian and special marriage laws, only the wife can claim it. So what's the difference really between maintenance and alimony? Maintenance is usually monthly. It is paid during the separation and while divorce proceedings are on. Alimony, on the other hand, kicks in after the divorce is final, either as a lump sum like Chahal has paid, or monthly payments as long as the wife remains unmarried. How much is it? There is no fixed formula. Courts look at several factors to decide: the social and financial status of both spouses, the wife's reasonable needs and those of the children, qualifications, jobs and incomes of both spouses, sacrifices that are made for the family, like giving up a career, standard of living during marriage, the husband's ability to pay after accounting for his liabilities, and even litigation costs if the wife wasn't earning. Remember, alimony can also include assets like transfer of shares, property or savings to the wife or kids. And yes, if the husband proves that he is financially dependent or the wife is earning enough, courts can either reduce the amount or even award alimony to the husband. At its core, alimony is not about punishing one spouse or rewarding the other. It's about ensuring that no one, especially a dependent, remains penniless.